To hide all Facebook photos to only me setting. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the settings and privacy, and then on the settings. And when you click on the settings, you have to scroll bit down, and then you have to you can see the profile and tagging. When you click on the profile and tagging, you can see the who can see posts you are tagging on your profile. You have to in the tagging tab, you can see the this option, who can see posts you are tagging in on your profile. You have to click on this, and when you click on this, here you can see the friends of friends. And when you in the I have selected the friends of friends, but if you want to, and this video is also on only me settings, so you have to click on the see more. And when you click on the see more, you can see the only me. When you choose the only me settings, then the post is there to is that then you can only see the post, then only one you can see the post of see all the post. Anyone can't see the post. But if you want to only show to some friends, so you can also choose by clicking on the specific friends, and then you can choose the friends that they can see the see the all the post, see the photos, and so that's it. And if you so that's it, if you found this video helpful. And now that the all the settings you have to do. And now when you click on the only me, and then you have done this process, and now you can and now only you can see the post. And so that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good